Hello everyone, my name is Christine and I'm one of the PMs of the 𝗪𝗁𝗚 Caramel Squad. I'm very excited to be kicking off our squad in our final presentation and sharing with you all our product, which has been a culmination of almost 4 months of our hard work. Oh, sorry, is it Rainbow first?
No, go ahead, Rainbow be last. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, first I'd like to introduce the fantastic members of our team. For product managers, there's myself and Mariela. In our UX team, we have Adar and Eris, our designers, and Erica, our writer. And lastly, rounding out the team, we have our amazing dev duo, Marlene and Tinatenda. For our agenda today, we'll be going through our product overview, highlighting the problem space we chose and the eventual solution and MVP we developed. Immediately after, you'll see our idea brought to life in our product demo. You'll also hear from our design and dev teams as they present some of their insights on their process throughout this project. Then we'll cover key challenges and learnings from the last 4 months, as well as next steps for the product and the squad. And lastly, we'll open up the floor for any questions that the audience would like to ask. So in the industry, there is often a lack of transparency when it comes to pay, and the path to growing your career can sometimes feel unclear. This uncertainty can lead to individuals being undervalued and underpaid, and difficulties in finding advancement. This problem in pay equity and career growth was one that we wanted to address with our product. There is this statement from the Pew Research Center that states that women generally begin their careers closer to wage parity with men, but they lose ground as they age and progress through their work lives. Throughout our discovery phase, our squad asked ourselves several questions for how we might tackle this. In the end, we wanted to make a tool that would aid individuals in advocating for themselves as they grow through their career journeys and empower them to get paid their worth. Now to give you an overview of our solution, I'll pass it off to Mariela to talk about our product.
Thank you. I should see another slide here. But thanks. So now that we understand the problem, let's introduce the solutions. Our solution, 𝗪𝗿𝗄𝗃, is a web-based platform that helps users explore different career paths and build a personalized dashboard to track their goals and milestones. It takes all the confusion and guesswork out of career growth and turns it into guided, actionable journey. We built 𝗪𝗿𝗄𝗃 because once someone realizes they want to change, the hardest part is one, getting started, and one, where to start. There's motivation, but no roadmap. 𝗪𝗿𝗄𝗃 defines that roadmap. Our product vision is bold and simple to empower working professionals with the guidance and accountability they need to confidently explore, define, and build the career path that's truly right for them. With 𝗪𝗿𝗄𝗃, users don't just dream about their next step, they see it, they plan it, and they take action on it. Yeah, so now that we've understand our product vision, let's walk through our MVP and the value it delivers. So to start, we have our career roadmap exploration. This is where users can discover potential career paths aligned with their goals and understand what each path actually requires. The second is our curated dashboard. It's where users can build a personalized dashboard that organizes their selected roadmaps, milestones, and next steps in one place. And last, we have our milestone and task tracking, which are actionable steps broken down into tasks so users can track the progress, celebrate their wins, and stay motivated. They gain clarity and direction by turning big career goals into small and actionable steps. They get guidance and accountability through our structured progress tools and proven career frameworks. They build ownership and confidence by sharing their own professional story and growing with long-term potential. And finally, we prioritize data protection and privacy. All dashboard data is stored locally in the user's browser. Now that I'll hand this over to our devs to walk us through 𝗪𝗿𝗄𝗃.
Okay, thank you so much, Mariela. Hi everyone, my name is Tinatenda and I am one of the developers. I worked with Marlene, the other developer, in implementing this web-based project. We implemented roles together, and I'm just gonna give you a demo of how the website is supposed to work. So give me a sec and let me start screen sharing, then I will show you how all roads is supposed to play out.
Looks like you're on mute now. We can't hear you.
Just unmuted. Let me go back to this one. Okay, so for all roads, we have a homepage and also a community feature that we wanted to implement in the future, and roadmaps where users get to understand what type of roadmaps we have. So like web design, product management, software development, and content development. And with each roadmap, we also had like specialization in subfields that would allow users to know what kind of roles they can take on. So let's say, for example, product management is product management, technical AI and ML, and then cloud or infrastructure. And there was short descriptions of what that is about. And then we also had like career snapshots, key skills and core competencies, common pathways. And now to the main feature, which is building the dashboard. So I'm just gonna click build my dashboard. So
I think we lost your screen.
Oh really?
Yes, just in the last step.
Okay, let me see. Let me go back to the Zoom. Okay, I'm gonna reshare it. So can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay, so for this, I'm just gonna fill out with my name. So 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and I'm a student. I can put early career. Let's say I choose early career for now, and then I'm gonna go on to the next section, which is choosing like the career that I want to grow in. So from the first four roadmaps that we had, from the first four choices that were from the roadmaps: web design, product management, software development, and content development. So I'm gonna choose software development, and then I'm gonna go next to choosing a specialization. I could have also skipped the career choice, but then it also does not help the product the dashboard be populated. So that's not a choice I would encourage users to do, because that would be of no help. And then for the specialization, I'm going to choose full stack, and then I'm going to go to the next page, which is just for me to state the skills that I already have. So I have front-end development skills, back-end too. I'm also gonna choose VS, GitHub, and testing and debugging, critical thinking, and problem solving. Then I'm gonna go to the next page. So once I click next after this page, I'm gonna get a fully rendered dashboard with pre-filled milestones. And also it will show my name and what my goal is. So this is my dashboard with my name and what I want to do. So I want to be a software developer with a specialization in full stack development. And also it shows what stage of the career that I'm in right here. And then we're going to scroll down to the main feature over here, which is the career roadmap. So it's a list of milestones that we need to achieve, that a person needs to achieve for them to transition to a different career. So that includes building key skills. So for front end already, there's basic front end skills that are already pre-filled. So you can also mark them present. You can mark them as in progress or done. So the blue was for in progress, and then the green with the check mark was for done. So you can do that for a lot of them. You can also add another step that you think is necessary, so it's not just only like the pre-filled tasks that are gonna be there on the board. But yeah, that is all. I will pass on the presentation.
Hi, my name is 𝗬𝗏𝗁𝗀𝗻𝗄. I'm one of the UX designers on this project. I wanted to share a couple of the milestones in the design process, which each sort of pose their own challenges and improvements. First was very early on when we needed to brainstorm different flows, different ways that users could meaningfully address our big "how might we" question. And we started from our own experiences, with one of us being a career changer and the other being early in their career, and thought about our two main user goals, which is really exploring careers in a way that shows you what the entry points are, because that first touch point of like which path you start on really does make a big difference in the pay gap. And then having a way to plan out major or pieces that go into building a career beyond the education piece. We used a tool called '𝗟𝗍 to do tests with potential users online. That helped us really understand what were the most important features and how users wanted to get information. And one of the things we really heard from that is that people go to their friends, their mentors, their colleagues when they're making decisions about their career. So we wanted our branding and our tools to really reflect that: personal, practical, and encouraging. Could you go to the next slide, please? And if you could just click through this, I wanted to show just what our changes were from low to mid to high fidelity. We kept that idea of, what's on my immediate to-do list alongside the longer milestones and steps, but we added some other ways to make it feel personal and organized, working within some technical constraints, like what's going to be doable without a back end. And then we also have some future features in here that needed to be cut from the MVP, because this is just part of that process. I will pass it on to close us out to our PMs.
Yeah, in the interest of time, we'll just skip over to our challenges learnings. Sorry to the Tenda, just we have 1 minute left. We'll just go over to our next steps. We would just love to gain more user insights on our live product by sharing it with some professionals. We also want to keep strengthening our individual and our team skills within our squad. And lastly, we want to look ahead at potential future features with some of our MVP features that were cut off, like a brag list or progress tracker and our reflection space. We wanted to share more, but in the interest of time, this is the end, and we conclude our product presentation. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope you find yourselves using all roads to track and plan your own career journeys. And now we'd like to open the floor for any questions from the audience. Thank you so much.